Hello guys, how you doing? Here comes the guys look again. So, as I told you that the first video, when I'm repairing the rear bumpers, got off a wrist over here and over here. So as you can see, I already fixed it, painted it, and the clear lock I already done on the top, so it's looking good. Just a new rear bumper, fixed it just like that, nice and easy, as I told you before. If you really want to do the job, you can do it. You can do it, nice and easy, just like that. So that I posted this video again, so anybody who want to repair his bumper, nice and easy at home, not in the professional work, just at home, you know. And this is the way it is. So as soon as you see this video, you just give your comment and your suggestion and your idea. I just want to learn something more, right? So it's enough for today. As you know that I already take the bumper out, and under the bumper there is a plastic clips, on the bottom, and here we got up a 10mm 6mm bolt over here and 8mm both sides. So you should have to loosen it, and underneath you should have to take all the cover clips and take it off, so you can fix it at home if you want it. All right, so thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, leave comment. Bye bye. Oh, it's too hot. Ooh, it's too hot. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, give me comment. Bye bye.